Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a bag I recently purchased from Japan, and it's my very first Preloved Balenciaga bag. And I've never purchased a Balenciaga before, so this is my first one, and this is my first time opening it. So it came really nicely packaged like this. Take it out of the bag to show you. Okay, it is a pink color, which will be so fabulous for the spring, I think. It looks so nice. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look at this color. Wow, it is so pretty. So let's look at the corners. I knew there was going to be somewhere in the corners, but it actually doesn't look that bad. I mean, there's a tiny bit of wear here and here. Overall, here are the handles. Overall, it looks in pretty good condition. I got this for a really great price. I got this bag for, I think, like a little bit over $300. So, yeah, it's in really good shape. Look at the back of the bag. The back of the bag also looks pretty good. I think this is the mini size or the small. It must be the mini, I think. Look at the strap, it's super tiny. I like to wear my bags crossbody, so I'm gonna see if I can find a crossbody strap for this. But yeah, the strap looks in pretty good condition as well. Yeah, it looks really good. I love it. It's a great color. The pink color is so fabulous. The tassels are still intact. And let's see if I can open it so you can see the inside of the bag. Okay. Zipper works really well. Oh, it still has the mirror, which is great. And the interior looks really clean. Let me see the Balenciaga. Yeah, the interior looks really clean. So yeah, the bag is in pretty good condition. I got this off of eBay. Let me see. Look at it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below, or follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. See you next time.